Hey, what's up everyone? Today I decided to show you my new work which you may find useful. I hope you all are aware about UPI payments in India, which apps like Paytm, PhonePe, etc. are using. I will talk about it in a while. Recently, while doing a UPI payment, I noticed that there is no way of doing UPI payments just by sharing a link. Like imagine you have to receive some money from someone. How can you achieve it? Like the first option is to share your mobile number and ask them to send the money there. And sharing your mobile number to someone just to receive payment is not like very secure, and privacy issues are there. The second is you will share your UPI ID with them, and then they will copy the UPI ID and then paste it to the payment apps and then send you the payment. What if I tell you that you can initiate a UPI payment in just a click with the ability to choose between your favorite UPI apps and then continue the payment? That's why I created UPI payment links. Let's jump into it and explore it. Okay, so first of all, why UPI? UPI is termed as Unified Payment Interface, and it's a payment option. There are lots of other payment options also like NEFT and RTGS, but UPI has an upper hand on them because of its key features. Like first of all, it's secure and it's instant, and UPI is free. And UPI is also instant. The NEFT and RTGS can take up to 1 to 2 hours or maybe more, but UPI is instant. That's why it gained so much popularity in a very short interval. Okay, so now it's time to introduce the UPI links. So what's the benefit of using UPI links? There is no need to share your contact number to accept your payments, as I mentioned earlier, and you don't need to copy and paste it onto your UPI apps for sending the payments. It gives you the freedom to initiate your UPI payment in just a click, and you can also scan QR and pay from that. Okay, so it is a payment link. So there are a lot of questions about safety, privacy, and some other stuffs like that. So yes, it is safe because I'm not processing any server-side payment data. I'm not transferring any of your data on my servers, or like I'm not storing it in any database or the payment history or something like that. Nothing is there. And if you prefer open source apps, so yes, the whole source code is available on my GitHub. You can go and you can see all the code. You can learn from them. What it does is like it takes a UPI ID, generates a link, and then renders a QR and generates an interface that your sender can see. And after that, it will click on the pay now, and the intent will be transferred to the UPI apps which you prefer. Like if you prefer PhonePe for UPI payments, it will transfer that intent to PhonePe app. If you prefer Paytm, it will transfer to Paytm. Like whatever you choose, it will be easily transferring the whole intent to there, and then you can securely see all the names like to whom you are doing the payment, and you can also see UPI ID to which UPI ID you are doing the payment. So everything is transparent. I have maintained the transparency because it is a payment app, and safety and privacy are the most important features. So yeah, it's easy and safe to use and secure to use. You can also see the source code if you are interested in that. Okay, so now let's jump into its working and see it in action. Okay, so now I've switched to a browser, and let me open the homepage of upay.me, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so it says create shareable UPI payment links, and some instructions are given here. So the example is self-explanatory, but in case you are not comfortable with that, you can always use our UPI link generator tool. So I'll just enter my UPI ID and click on create and copy. Okay, so now it says the UPI link is copied to clipboard, and it also shows the UPI link. It's a simple link, like the base URL is there, and then after a slash, my UPI ID is entered, which is already demonstrated in the yeah, example above. Okay, so remember guys, this is the link, this is the public link, I will say, which you can share with anyone with whom you want to expect, with anyone whom you expect to receive the payment from. And I will paste the link here. I'll just get rid of this, and it will be in your clipboard only. So I will just paste it here and open it to show how your page will look. Okay, so here's the page. The money center can either scan this QR code which is listed in the above section, and this is the QR section of your UPI code. Like if you will scan this QR code with any app, and then also you can initiate the payment. And if you don't want that, you can simply click on pay now. When you will click on pay now, it will ask, it will show you the list of all the UPI apps which you have currently installed in your system. Let's say I select PhonePe. So it will pass the intent to PhonePe. I will just unlock it, and here is the like you can see my name is there and my UPI ID is also there. So it's transparent, like nothing is hidden. You can proceed with the amount whatever you want to write here, and then choose the any list of the banks from which you want to send money, and then simply as you proceed to your UPI transaction, you can proceed. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope apart from investing your time and watching this video, you found something useful here. If you find it worthy, leave a like on this video, share and subscribe for more such videos. And stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.